Let me tell y'all about this stupid bitch right here. Check. She know what I'm talking about. You a stupid little bitch. You can't suck a dick. You try to suck my dick and you almost got the shit. Had to smack her up quick cause she couldn't even take it. Cause you know this bitch is a fake it. Or should I say her man is a faggot? You try to come diss me, you better keep the maggot. Should I say you going sleepy with the maggots? Cause you know your bitch can suck the dick and pussy smell like fish too. And you know she is a fucking dude. When I try to pipe her, she said, ooh, my dick couldn't fit cause was big too. Cause you know me, I'm the big dick Nick. Just to leave, ask your chick, ask your sister, ask your mother, and your auntie. That's how your bitch found me. Yes, I'm the nigga right here on the track. It's the king of kings, nigga, and your boy's so back. Like my nigga was Kyra fucking Pratt. Cause you know me, I play no games like that. Bang, shoot a nigga in his dome. Should I say the throne? Both make a motherfucker grown with the chrome, take the stone. Should I say taste the chrome right here in your motherfucking home? Sitting in the chair going stupid. You acting so foolish. Now I'm getting shelled cause the nigga wanna go to hell. Come and knuckle up. I'ma pinch you right there cause you know what motherfuckers right here don't care. Cause you know me, the twisties in the head too. About to grow my shit out just like you fucking do. Cause you know the long hair don't kill the kid. I'ma go my way cause you know what niggas full of it. This bitch ass nigga right here trying to talk shit behind the fucking internet. Oh yeah, now you trying to come and beef with this nigga right here. Best believe I'm from the TRE, right where I stay right there. My pussy play, cause you know I spark them shits with the shave. Should I say the shells? I leave a nigga swell like he was a fucking fish. Oh hell well, give a snare right here in the nigga shit. Rollers this bitch, cause you know you can rich this. Should I say I'm rich bitch man too, popping right here, cause you know that niggas care. Sitting in a rocking chair, rocking back and forth like I'm paranoid, nigga, cause you know you're from the north. While I'm sitting in the south, I'm getting so well, I'm getting so swell. Best believe you going to hell, cause you know me, I'ma spit this shit. I don't give a fuck if you listen to this, suck my dick. If you trying to be a hater, I'll come and spray your kid, and I'm like show your motherfuckers right here with the heater to the fucking rib. I'ma heat that shit. Smells like swine flu, you gotta eat the shit. I don't give a fuck, like I said, fuck you fucking haters. I'm just playing on the fucking track. See you later. What the fuck, I gotta prove my point to you niggas. If you wanna hear me spell, just look me up, bitch. Cause you know I'm that nigga that motherfucking walk this. And I got a big dick, like my name is Walk This. Like I said, talk this. It's the Nick with the big dick. Once again, cause you know I'm a pikey chick. They come running to me too, cause you know I don't give a fuck shitting at your crew.